Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to join two objects in Tinkercad. So let's get started. First of all, select the cube or other object that you have, and I'll select the pyramid for the tutorial. Now, what I will do is put the ruler on the workplane corner right here, and basically what I'll need to do is select on the cube and see the height of it. So it is 20, and I will make this figure 20 in the air. So I will select 20. Now just right click your mouse and select align. Now you'll be able to align the objects. So I will do the center, and that's how you basically put on top. And to basically join those, just drag it and select those and click union group. And now you'll be able to change a color of these objects, move around, and basically they will work around like one object right now. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.